Here I have Samsung Galaxy XCover7 Pro, and let me show you how to exit maintenance mode on the following device. So if you had your phone from the repair or you just enter the maintenance mode, it is an easy way to exit this mode. All you need to do is open the list of all apps, choose here settings, scroll down, choose device care, scroll down again, tap maintenance mode, and here all you need to do is tap exit. Tap restart. You need to verify your identity, for example by using your pattern if you have one. And now the device is switching into a normal mode. Let's wait a few seconds. And that's it. Now you can use your device in a normal mode, enter your pattern, the phone is starting, and that's it. So everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.